डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेसन 12 इंट्रोडक्शन टू 3D ज्योमेट्री। आज का टॉपिक है डिस्टेंस फार्मूला एंड सेक्शन फार्मूला। फर्स्ट, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स, पॉइंट A x1, y1, z1, point B x2, y2, z2, then the distance AB is equal to root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Now example 1, if point A 2, 3, 5 and point B 5, 0, 7. Find AB. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Since x2 is 5, x1 which is 3, so 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 and y1 is 3, so 0 minus 3 whole square plus z2 is 7 minus z1 is 5, so 7 minus 5 whole square. 5 minus 2 which is 3, so 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 3 whole square which is 9 and 2 square is 4. So AB is root 22 units. Example 2, if P minus 1, 3 minus 4 and Q 1 minus 3, 4, find distance PQ. P is minus 1, 3 minus 4, x1, y1, z1, point Q 1 minus 3, 4 represent x2, y2, z2. So x1 is minus 1, x2 is 1, y1 is 3, z1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 3 and z2 is 4. We are using distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Put in the values of x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. We get 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 square. So which is after solve we get 2 root 26 unit. Next, section formula. Suppose ratio is m1 m2 and the line AB, the coordinates are x1 y1 z1, b x2 y2 z2 and p xy x comma y comma z. In section formula we have two cases. First one is internally ratio, second is externally ratio. If the line segment AB, which internally ratio is m1 is to m2, then the coordinate p x y z is defined as m1 x2 for x coordinate m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. The for y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. The coordinate z m1 z2 plus m2 z1 by m1 plus m2. Next, for internally the ratio is m1 m2. Then the coordinate r x y z is defined as x equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1 by m1 minus m2. For the coordinate y m1 y2 minus m2 y1 by m1 minus m2. For the coordinate z m1 z2 minus m2 z1 by m1 minus m2. Thus, for internally the coordinates m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. But in externally the coordinates m1 x2 minus m2 x1 by m1 minus m2. And the result for internally we use positive sign, but for externally use negative. Example 3. Find the coordinate of the point which the line segments joining the points 1 minus 2 3 and 3 4 minus 5 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Case 1 for internally, second for externally. Solution: the line AB, so coordinate A is 1 minus 2 3 and the coordinate B 3 4 minus 5. For internally the ratio m1 is to m2 which is 2 is to 3, so coordinate P is defined as x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. As for z, m1 z2 plus m2 z1 by m1 plus m2. X equal to m1 is 2 and x2 is 3. So we get 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Similarly, m1 is 2, y2 is 4. So 2 into 4 plus m2 which is 3 and y1 which is minus 2. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2 by 2 plus 3. For z, m1 which is 2, z2 which is minus 5, m2 which is 3 and z1 also 3. So we get z is 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3. And hence we get after solve p is 9 by 5 comma 2 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5. And for externally similarly we solve, we get the coordinate of required.